I'm on my own, broken and alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Just stare, 'cause
Guys, I chuck it at him can't come through. I'm afraid I mock them. Yeah guys, so we found the Morant Great House. Let me show you a piece of the wall. Go on the right guys. Stop on the rock up.
That's steady.
I don't mean, are you?
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth, can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can have your doubts, not what I'm about, have your f***ing cloud, it be raining now. I keep making sound, go another round, I'm legend bound, can't stop me now. You don't wanna fuck with me, a slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and I'll show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that I can. Just
General. At a great house up on the road. You're familiar with that?
Elder.
You're familiar with that? Up on the hill. So let's go straight up.
But it's up there.
No, even if you find one brick in it, you know that. Hold on, let me say something before you go. You see, even if you find one brick, you may say, you see, if you find one brick, that's good enough.
So I still follow the right way.
Okay, at least them can't tell people and say, oh, that never happened, slavery never happened, because that them try hide, that's why the pen broke from Jamaica, from St. Thomas. So you see, if we can ever film one brick and show, say, oh, the building is dead, that's good enough. Because we are showing you them
historical history, right?
Yes, man. The Great House supposed to be there from 1736.
Yes, man.
Because we have the history about the house and everything. As we tell you, history and archaeology,
Okay.
So head up there. Just go straight up on the road.
Oh, come here,
Yeah, come show me. If you're fault, come show me. I drive in the road. Alright. Come here, man. Yeah, peeps. So we got some directions as to the location that we're going. And yeah, we'll drive go up there. We check say I walk, we would have to walk because we check say bush it up there and them thing there, but yeah, we'll drive go up there. Where you say no bush up there and them thing there?
Yeah man, that bush road man, but I would seem like this man.
Okay. So guys, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna film this place and then I'm gonna give you the information about this area. If you have information, because I realized that somebody like researched the thing the other day and gave us information. Shout out to Florence Chin. Yeah, because we get gas and we're able to go out, go make a video them and all of that. Yeah, man. So we're head up to the place so we're going to show them where we are. We're trying to show the history still in the elder.
Yeah.
Because you see, them people them realize that they have push down the historical building them. Them don't want the youth, them know what the usual happen. So you see, when we do what we do and them see it, them can't tell them say it never did there. Alright.
That is true.
Seki, my cousin, I come up here so with Seki, they can have a bush around say, you know Seki?
Yeah, man, it's a blessing work.
Seki where the blessing work, in me at that.
I ain't been out the same.
Same thing. I know him farmed around here so long.
Yes, he farmed it further.
Alright.
But I've been out on the right hand side. So we want to take the top road then.
The top road?
Top road, yes. I want this and you know that land like this stuff.
I stick here to press up. You see them stone and them thing and them build wall coming out on the road, no? Because the road there, you know, if the slave house shown the normal, them have wall built on the two sides, you know, stone wall, you know. Like some little stone thing, you know. That's why you notice the stone them, you know.
So,
But the building itself not supposed to be any more. But you must find some brick or something.
You find something up there, man.
Show exactly you can stop and right this is supposed to be, and you will find something right there.
Yes.
Because one thing
Yo,
would be
you
like
up on the camera, you know, you up on the camera, you become part of history now, uncle. Because we highlight St. Thomas history now. It's when this thing will think come about,
Yes.
you are gonna be part of the history because you're one of the man who show with the place them. You understand?
Yes, they show you what the place is.
Because if you really check the channel, you realize so go everywhere in St. Thomas to find the slavery building them.
Okay.
You see me? That's why they can't mash up someone. Now we don't each to go places, you know. We have to go on the building there, and then we have to go.
Go on, man, go on. You soon reach anyway.
so tell me what you know about
Well, I tell you something. Honestly speaking, I'm not from this parish. I come here.
Okay.
Come here, come here.
Yeah,
Which parish you from?
St. Mary.
St. Mary, that's our next parish we are going on.
You come here, come live and marry to one woman, and the woman eventually dead.
Yeah.
And he live down at the house only so right now. But they
Okay.
have an idea of the place because, you know, people tell me
Which
things
way?
and straight ahead, you man.
Show them where we are going, Chuck.
Straight.
Alright, right there.
Yeah, man, show them where we are going for about a minute, and then they can switch back camera.
Okay.
Yeah, peeps, so you see I saw the road stay, peeps. The greatest thing is that the road is here and we can drive. Yeah? Yeah, man, bless up to the people who are doing it, gas so we can do that video. Right. You see the building, you see this? You know what's a reach. You know a reach. Cut camera, bro. Cut camera. Yeah, guys, so thank you so much for joining. Welcome back to Elite Jamaica. Like, you know, we're not really hold up my time. We actually show you guys the locations before we even hold up my one bag of time. So this is the Morant Great House. The Morant Great House, no? Yeah. So we see a piece of the building. So now we're just gonna head up there and done. Isn't it? But you know we have cut camera stick out, camera can see it before we, but at the same time I don't wanna see it without you guys seeing. So I could go up in the yard and see what. Alright. Just follow me, don't cut camera. Oh, they had a big pool right here.
Yes, this was the pool, right?
Oh, and you know about the process and think of modern construction.
Yeah.
So what it will fill up.
Alright. So I can't pass right there, so.
Yo, I want to really kill fill up for you.
You don't know, you don't
You don't know, you know?
We don't know. So we have to find out.
Alright.
Yeah, man, we have to follow the elder and find out.
Alright.
So guys, the house is over here. Like, we wouldn't find this without the help of. What's your name, sir?
My name is Simmons.
Mr. Simmons? Yes, yeah, this is Mr. Simmons. We wouldn't have found this house without Mr. Simmons. So, you know how that goes.
Okay. It's one of our lucky day today.
We're lucky day.
Yeah.
Lucky, you wouldn't find it.
No. No.
Wow. Shout out to the person who tell you about the house I still know.
Yeah.
But I try to get them and I couldn't get them, so I wouldn't find the house. Chucky.
Yeah.
Chucky.
Hmm?
No. Yeah, no. Guys, look here. You see this?
Good construction, bro.
I have a good idea what I'm talking about.
Alright guys, so Mr. Simmons said all of this is supposed to be the house, but it's been demolished. It's what do I call it now? What the people have used? Dilapidated.
Yes.
It's a dilapidated building it's lost to history.
Yeah.
But guys, I don't know where I'm gonna find it. We're gonna find the perimeter of the building and we're gonna show how large this building was. Hopefully we can do that. So no follow it.
Take your time, puppy. Take your time.
Alright, so
Yeah.
come in, Chucky.
How come?
So guys, right here guys, we have a part of the building right here. So, Mr. Simmons,
Yes, sir.
reality, you know.
Yes.
Guys, we have a part of the building right here. You see, so guys, this is part of the building right here. Alright, so, yeah man, we have a search. Hey, wanna hear me I say? May I take off my shades? Guys, I'm gonna try to find the perimeter of this building and see how large this building was, so we can basically know what this was all about. It's the Morant Great House. At the end of the video, well, normally I'm gonna do that, but I promise, guys, I'm gonna give you information as to the Morant Great House, who owned it and what year it was built. All right, if I even that. So, yeah, man, no follow me.
Take your time, puppy.
One thing about this place, I'm scared to me what's on here.
Was.
Wow,
Okay.
I want to breathe.
That was it.
That was a friend.
That was
The only thing you do is put up my hand. Wow.
everything.
Now, Flem,
Wow.
Yeah,
Of course.
come closer on your film, man. Walk up fast and film,
What
man.
you know?
Let's
Chop.
see where I go through the bush.
Hold on.
The concrete here.
That's one. Concrete.
Concrete.
Yeah. Right along the way down there, sir.
Right there.
Concrete.
Right here, sir.
Yes, I can't get a walk on
Concrete
here.
is in there.
So, guys,
Yeah.
would have passed this if them ever show me this a concrete.
That's one. I'll put the camera.
This could be the flooring part.
Alright.
Yeah, guys, so
floor.
this a concrete. It's a part of the floor, you know.
The flooring.
It's a part of the flooring, guys.
Yeah.
You know,
Yeah.
and like. Babes, I saw you do it. So in a bush and you want to cut the bush, you just step on it.
The wall is the concrete.
Alright.
The wall is the
Alright, I'm
concrete.
going up this.
The wall is it.
That's one.
Yeah, man, this is a concrete.
Straight
This is
back.
a part of the house,
Okay.
guys. So we go straight across. One end.
Part of the house.
Yeah, this is a piece of concrete finishing a part of the house. Film this. You see that? So guys, we are search. Hopefully we can find even like 5 brick together of this house. Yeah,
Sure.
man. So that we are doing.
Alright.
See this?
Yeah.
It's a piece of block from the house.
It's great history here.
So back to the road. Alright, we'll go through that side. Whoa!
What?
Guys, you see that? You see what just reached me a while ago? I saw only I know what's man.
Kasha,
Yeah,
Maka.
run bo. I saw Maka that man.
They call it kasha.
Them
No kasha
trick me.
in thing there.
Yeah man, them Maka they hold me a while ago. I want to see no more construction over here. So we head back to the road. Guys, it seemed like this was a building that was like, you know, as we always say, lost the time. When I could go to the road and I could start find more. This a concrete upon the dog.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's a piece of block, yeah, man.
Come on. Watch it, you know, brother. More Kasha Maka.
Why?
Come back there, sir.
Hold
Hold
on,
on.
man. We are talking about Maka. I don't Maka me a talk about,
That
man.
again.
A different thing me a talk about, man. Come follow me. Me make the road.
Alright.
We make the road. Maka there, but me make the road. See a concrete is going on your side.
Concrete, yeah.
They will like concrete go back out to the
Construction.
to the ground with you.
One is a puppy.
Construction is not.
Yeah, man.
Look here. It's a construction right here. No?
Wow. Yes, man. Right here, sir.
Why?
So what are the lock of the
Right. Find some nice brick, you know.
Guys, come here. Guys, look here. Guys, this is a Kasha Maka. But the building gone down there, so I don't know where I go.
Take a time, you know, brother. Then Maka the dangerous. You know.
Whoa, watch out.
Alright.
Watch out.
Find something.
Watch out. Here. Aye, come closer with them, see them Maka here. Where I go through.
Yes, man.
You see it?
See it, man. Of course. See the Maka them, man. Watch it. Look at them pigs. He's falling down.
No, dog.
Maka hook you up. Yo. Yeah,
Watch
the
out.
time come too.
Come in.
You can't just look. What?
Yeah, guys, so you see, right here was the perimeter of the building where it goes back across there. So if we notice here, we have a lot of Chucky. Chucky are dead from Maka.
Hook up.
Maka
When I
chuck me.
Come hook up.
Yeah, but guys, show them Chucky. This is the building right here. It goes back across there to the right. And yeah, man. Chucky, come through. I can show them the rest of the building. I got to come for the side that way. Peeps, look here. Give me the camera.
Wait, man.
Guys, I chuck it that, you know. In can't come through. In Florida, I mock them. Come through this, bro. Yes, me don't make the road already.
No, that road is too narrow.
Narrow?
I will never walk somewhere.
Yeah, guys, so that is what is here. Construction of the building. Yeah, man. You know, so.
One back this way.
That's a one. I'm not doing Chucky gone. Chucky gone round there, so. But this are the building peeps. Chucky come from around there, so.
Yeah, brother, see me now.
Come through here, sir. Right, through right here, sir. Maka that one, my foot bottom all again. Yeah, man. I could move.
Find a better road. I have to find a better road. I'm not destroying nature. I'm back in town.
Yeah, man. We're not destroying nature. See it, dog.
Yeah, man.
See it.
True.
So these peeps are part of the building. Alright, so the building comes here. And then it go cross over there.
Yeah.
Oh, that man see something out there, so come out there, sir. Follow me. Chucky, go on and follow you.
Close to the road.
Yeah. Perimeter.
At the building perimeter this way.
Right, yes, sir.
See the guys? More building right there.
That better view, man. Right, yes, let's start.
Yeah, man, show them that one.
Okay.
But at the same time, we have a tree right there, so you know,
Yeah,
so the
right.
tree grow inside of the
And
building.
destroy the building.
Yeah.
It grow and destroy the building.
Yeah.
So that's it, guys.
Wow.
That's where some of that tell you to come to Maka, you know.
Get there. Alright, so it's a better view.
Guys, that's a part of the building right there, guys. It come round, come to the perimeter, and goes back across there.
See it?
You see the going back across this, peeps?
Yeah, right there.
Yeah, man.
Down here.
Eh? Where is it?
No, from that corner.
Yeah?
Out of the concrete here.
Okay.
Come here. Come look here.
Whoa, guys, look here.
Fine.
Hold on, guys. This is the step, you know, to the building, you know.
Yeah.
And at the same time, that's a tree right there growing right there. You know? And that's the entrance to the building. You see them slave masters never win, you know. Them think them win, but them never win. Guys, look down there. That's the building going down there, you know.
Yeah, that is.
That's the building going down there. And this is the tree right here, guys. Them never win.
So the man here, well, the building
And that's a piece of concrete right there, a part of the building.
Look, I go and go root and move what we
yes,
building.
man. Moved up completely.
Yeah, guys, this is the part of the wall, guys. So this is a house that we were searching for, and we finally search it, we finally find it. You know, big up to the person who told us about this house, the Morant Great House.
Yeah.
Anyway, a lot of it is not here to be found, but we found what's left, and that's great enough. Alright, yeah, man.
I believe over there was a part of it. I said my land, but what else? I believe it was what do you call it again? The tank.
The tank.
Tank.
Oh, that's over the water wheel over there.
Reservoir.
Yeah, what that?
It over there?
Yeah, see what?
Yeah.
The concrete there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wait there.
Yeah.
Yeah, guys, so
This one is
more
there.
see this.
So the land cut up. Or the land cut up now. This is somebody who own it.
Oh, it's a closed door. Alright, so start right here,
Yeah,
guys.
guys.
Right there.
A reality peep. Guys, look here.
Okay.
Look here, guys. You know, guys, this are the tank. And look here. See it? That's the tank, guys. So Chucky, I go show you the tank. Like, yeah. Thank you so much for watching this video. It's really a pleasure having you all here, guys. Like, we never
right
expect
around,
to find
guys.
so much.
Wow.
Look over this. Go over this.
Yeah, that's for them right
We
around.
found it, guys.
So I'm gonna walk around.
And this is really intriguing.
Take your time. Okay, guys. So this is what it looks like.
Wow.
Yeah, it's not so risky, you know. So it's right around there. And actually, I'm going to So, well, I'm on the ground. Right there. Yeah. So I'm inside. Okay.
Yeah, guys. So we find the Morant Great House, and this is a piece of history. Yeah, man. So shout out to the elder who show we. We see him again.
Simmons.
Mr. Simmons. Guys, if you reach this far in the video, type Mr. Simmons in the comment section down below. If you don't know, type Chucky, because you know Chucky help if you do this. You see me? And yeah.
Yeah, man.
If it's your first time joining us here, remember to give the video a big thumbs up. The button the right down there, so look under the video, see when something looks up. You click that, you click the thumbs up button. And if that's not comfortable enough, you can subscribe to the channel so you get all video upload. As you upload on video, you get a notification. That's the bell icon. You press the bell icon so you get that.
Alright.
Yeah, guys, so shout out to Mr. Simpson. Mr. Simmons, who actually show away where the great house is there.
Yeah.
This is how Mr. Simmons live. Alright, Mr. Simmons been living here for how much years?
About 98, you know, so a long time.
98?
Yes, a long time, man.
Long time, man. You see?
Long time in the right.
So, yeah, man, you have nobody where you want to shout out?
Well, I'm shout out to my brother Leroy Canada. Leroy Wright.
Leroy Wright, big up yourself. Let me know if you see the comment. Anybody who know Leroy Wright, make them know.
And Bonnie. Yeah, also
Maxine
in America.
and Bonnie.
In America.
Also in America.
Yeah.
Alright.
Sisters, those are.
Okay.
Yeah.
So Mr. Simmons said big up to Maxine and Vanny in America. And big up to Leroy Wright. Leroy Wright in Canada. Alright. If you all see this comment, let me know how I go on. Alright. On behalf of Elite Jamaica, on behalf of myself and Chucky, we just want to say y'all stay blessed. Peeps, the thing that want to scratch me, I'm going to come off of the camera like right now. So goodbye, peeps. Later.
Yeah, you know.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it.